Ready to spice up your morning? Let's dive into pumpkin pie French toast. Start with 4 large eggs in a bowl. Add 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk it all together until smooth. Now grab 8 slices of thick bread. Texas toast is perfect. Dip each slice into the pumpkin mix, making sure it's well coated. Heat your skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it. Cook the bread for 2-3 minutes on each side until golden brown. For the syrup, combine 1 cup of maple syrup with 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree. Add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Heat it in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally until warm. Serve your French toast warm, drizzled with that amazing pumpkin syrup. Sprinkle with powdered sugar or extra cinnamon if you like. Breakfast just got a whole lot cozier. Enjoy.